Today is like a fine wine.
It's like, say mama! You have a grenade strapped on you?
We're boondocking at a sweet winery. Before we'll take you to a NASCAR race.
You're awfully big to be fitting in such tight spaces. That's freaking awesome. Is moonshine legal?
This is gonna be a party, moonshine and all.
How's it?
Oh my gosh, it smells strong.
Then the fun starts.
You ready?
I kind of like your number 2.
Wine and NASCAR, let's do it. We're on the way through Pennsylvania, and we need a spot to stop for the night. So we'll see what Harvest Host has to offer.
Hey!
Hello.
What's going on in here?
Eating session.
Oh.
We're eating.
Hi, Bryn.
Hey.
What are you eating?
Ooh. She is eating breast milk from when I first had her. Breast milk with a little cereal, special cereal that I ordered. Plant-based, organic, dairy, soy, gluten, corn.
What flavor is it?
Like a almond.
Bryn has, from what we can tell, blonde or to strawberry blonde hair. What do you think of this winery?
I think it's great.
Very beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah,
The
it's
owner's really
awesome.
cool. They're gonna have a cool band play this weekend.
I think they do. That's like a normal thing for them.
And it's called like Skrillex or something like that.
Yeah, so from what I understand, he purchased the land from his wife's grandparents, right?
Yeah, or he and his wife did.
Yeah, sorry. Together, they're one. Purchased the land. He has 72 acres here.
Yeah.
He's turned it into like a little winery with a brewery, a stage for concerts, a vineyard. He has RV hookup.
Yeah, the wine's over there, down there, and then the brewery is over there. Well, tomorrow we'll be out of here and we're headed towards the Poconos.
We are. I
right.
found this spot on Harvest Host, so I found it along the way. And he had a little disclaimer in there. If you wanted power, it was an extra $10, but we didn't want to unhook, so we're boondocking.
Is that what this is gonna be like? Is that what it's like? Say mama!
Movie night.
Are you ready?
Do you want to pillow fight me?
What do you have? You have a grenade strapped on you?
Pillow fight, and I'm destroying. Oh, that's what he wanted to do a pillow fight for with a gun. I took your pillows. It's so crazy having kids on 2 different scales. Like, one is 9 months and one's 8 years old. So it's like 2 opposite ends of the spectrum. I can't keep up.
It's getting crazy in here. I'm gonna have to find a hotel.
Yeah, you're better off.
You enjoy.
Take your bottle of wine with you.
You trying to get some grass to eat? Yeah, you're like a little horsey.
Daddy, you looking for a 4-week club?
Oh, you're gonna get.
Family over there.
Oh,
Posting about the video that we just dropped.
mom's over there talking on Instagram.
And some wine and like some moment of chill.
Harvest Host is this membership thing you can do when you RV. Places like this winery, sign up and you can camp there just for the price of your membership. It's a great deal. This has to be one of our favorite stops for the night. The scenery was breathtaking. Who wouldn't like camping in a vineyard and sipping on some fine wine? There's a concert scheduled here for the weekend. Unfortunately, we'll miss it this time, but it was a great place to stop.
What's up, Mr. Camouflage?
That works pretty well.
I know it does. Look at that. 1920. All right. I'm looking for the little camouflage marine here. Okay, let's see if we can spot him.
Reese is all about playing Marines. Funny thing is that he was way too young to remember Jeremiah's career. Must be in his blood.
Right there is where I'm going to pick. Okay. You ready, Mom?
Yeah.
Reese, stand up. Oh, look, he's right there. I did not see you.
You can't go wrong with this type of evening, that's for sure.
Oh my god.
Thank you for such a sweet spot to enjoy for the night. The bed wouldn't come down. I'd tell him to take the camera, but that's all our bedding, baskets. I don't really know what he's doing in there. I think he's fixing it. Looks like he fixed it. Bed went out. The next morning, we were off for the Poconos. The Pocono Raceway, to be exact. We're attending a NASCAR race this weekend, and you're coming along for the ride. You're awfully big to be fitting in such tight spaces.
It's not, you can see him, man. That was number 87. Look right there. See it?
Do we have like a designated spot, or is it like fit in?
No, it's a designated spot. We're in E2211.
That's freaking awesome.
It's a chair with a guy in it.
Here we go.
The first day was filled with Xfinity and Truck Series racing, which are the slightly slower cars.
Well, she's supposed to start in 21st, Captain John said. What do you think of that? Is that cool?
The cars are loud and awesome. While the boys enjoyed racing, I got dressed for the fun, just in time for a moonshine cart.
Moonshine's legal like all over, as long as you have a liquor license. Let's get some moonshine. Well, what is that?
We are. We have 5 moonshines.
What sample do you want?
Well, they have root beer, blackberry, lemonade.
What's your most popular?
Peach. We're stocking up on peach this morning.
I'll try caramel. I'll do peach. What are you gonna do?
Do you have one that's like normal whiskey type flavor?
We do. We have soda caramel and vanilla coffee.
How about I'll tell you the salted caramel.
And 105 proof corn whiskey.
Oh my gosh.
Now that's just straight like...
Well, it's cut down when it comes out of the distillery, but it's bottled at 105.
I'll try that.
All right.
How's it?
Yeah, I just don't know what, though. Yeah, we got meat. It's not Bushkill or
That's good.
Lafromme. Coffee. Those are 70 proof. Lemonade, blackberry.
Oh my gosh, it smells strong in here.
It's not. It lacks the character of like your bourbons and your London.
Right.
It's the base for the moonshines.
Right, that's cool.
Oh, what do you want here?
Well, let's get one that you'll drink.
We won't drink the same though. Oh wow. So we went with the black raspberry, right?
Little jar of moonshine.
Yeah.
That corn whiskey was like
Strong.
rough.
I still have it. Moonshining in Pennsylvania? I could get used to this. The night ended with an awesome fireworks display, and this was just day one. The next day was filled with racing from the Cup Series cars, which are the big boys in this sport.
What do you think of this setup? TV broadcast right there. Sound right there, and then we got the track right in front of us. Here they come, are you ready?
This was our first NASCAR race where they actually raced, so this was pretty exciting.
Which one's your favorite number? Number 8. Here they go, Reese, you ready?
Frog everybody. That's what we're gonna say.
We weren't expecting how fast and loud these cars were. NASCAR's doing it right. We have the best seats in the place, and they're free. The drinks
They're not
are
free.
affordable.
Yeah, that's right.
We didn't pay for seats.
Do you have a favorite car?
I kind of like your number 2.
That's my car.
I know. We're strictly going off paint color here. No, number 2 is a really cool looking car. I'm sorry. It's
I
really
love the
nice.
colors.
20's cool too. It's purple. It's girly. We might not know much about the cars, drivers, and so on, but we can say the Raceway put on an awesome event. Great for families and making friends and just having a good time. Coming up, oh, Canada.
We're not moving.
We've been sitting here for hours and hours.
We're headed into Canada.
There's movement.
And we'll play in the dirt. Before Reese crashes again. And still kills it.
That's nice, man.
Then we're headed to a lovely resort in the mountains. With an underground nuclear bomb shelter? Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.